Hey, welcome back to my channel. DB Electrical AFD0055 Alternator Replacement 4, Super. Verify part fits before purchasing specs, unit type, alternator voltage, 12 rotation, CW amperage, 110 clock, 3 pulley class, 2261 regulator, earphone type, AF replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, 400-14044 Cargo, 112949 Ford, F81U10300EB, F81U10300ED, F81Z10346EJ and N, 400 to 14,044, 400-14092 Leicester, 7796 GL412 Value Series, GLV8412 RMNSA, Alt 1601 Regidar USA, A250-401 Remy Light Duty, 23805 Remy Light Duty New, 92504 Unipoint, Alt 1601 Vistion, Kauai, 7796N compatible with replacement 4, Ford, Excursion. 2000 to 2001 F250 Super Duty 1999 to 2001 F350 Super Duty 1999 to 2001 F450 Super Duty 1999 to 2001 F550 Super Duty 1999 to 2001. Specs: alternator, voltage, 12, rotation, CW, amperage, 110, clock, 3, pulley class, 2261, regulator, IR, fan type, IF. Replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, AFD0055, Cargo, 112949, Ford F81U10300EB, F81U10300ED, F81Z10346EA, J and N, 400 to 14,044, 400 to 14,092, Leicester, 7796, Motorcraft, GL412, Motorcraft Value Series, GLV8412RM, NSA, Alt 1601, Regidar USA, A250-401N, Remy Light Duty, 23805, Remy Light Duty New, 92504, Unipoint, Alt 1601, Vistion, CA, WAI, 7796N. Compatible with replacement 4, Ford, Excursion 2000 to 2001 F250 Super Duty 1999 to 2001 F350 Super Duty 1999 to 2001 F450 Super Duty 1999 to 2001 F550 Super Duty 1999 to 2001. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, we'll replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket alternator built to meet OEM specifications for Ford. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.